Hello students, we are continuing the same chapter quadratic equation. This is the last bit of this chapter, that is the nature of roots. What is the significance of nature of roots? That we have to understand today. Nature of roots means the quadratic equation is given and the solution of that equation we are getting, whether it is real, equal, not real, that kind of findings is called the nature of roots. So standard form of quadratic equation is, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So we know the formula established for solution of this equation is, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula established for any quadratic equation of this type to get the solution. So from this what do we see? Two values of x we are getting, plus minus this. So here whether the root is real or not will be decided by this quantity. Because any quantity which is negative, we cannot find the root of it. For example, root of 16 is equal to plus minus 4 and root of minus 16, it is not possible. Because anything which is negative, we cannot find the root of it. Why? Suppose we are getting the root of it. Suppose minus 16 is equal to y. Then squaring minus 16 is equal to y square. Right? Therefore, y square plus 16, that is equal to 0. So, is there any number whose square, if added with something, we get 0? No. There is no number square of which and added some number will become 0, because until y square is negative, right, sum with this number will never be 0, and square of any number is always positive, we know. So this quantity will be positive and added one positive number, it will never be 0. So this is not possible. Therefore, whatever we assumed was wrong. So, no real number such that under root minus 16 is equal to y. There will not be any real number y such that under root minus 16 is y. So, this is the basic thing. On the basis of that, we are going to find the nature of roots in standard equation. So, this b square minus 4ac in this, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. This part, this b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. So nature of root is being decided by this discriminant. First case, case 1. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means this quantity is positive, right? This is positive, therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Since it is positive, so and let b square minus 4ac is equal to p. It is positive and this is p. This is equal to minus b plus minus under root p upon 2. Means x will have two values. One value, suppose it is alpha, that is minus b plus under root p by 2, and another we say it is beta, that is minus b minus under root p by 2. So these are the two values, means two roots. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. So alpha is this, beta is this. These are the two roots, and these roots, since p is positive, this is greater than 0 and p is positive. Therefore, roots are real and unequal. Unequal, why is it unequal? Because minus p plus under root p, minus b minus under root p. Therefore, alpha and beta are real, but they are not equal, right? Second case we will. Here what I have written, that is under root minus 16 is equal to y. We will assume it is real. By contradiction method we are proving that we will not get the real value. So assume it is real, and then we proceeded. Finally we reached at the conclusion that this is not possible. That is why whatever we assumed was wrong. Means y is not a real number. Right? Second case, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This is the second case. Means the value of x will be, therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus under root 0 on 2a. This implies x is equal to minus b upon 2a. If the discriminant is 0, we are getting only one value. It doesn't mean that it has got only one value. In fact, we are having two values, and two values are, this is with plus and another is with minus p. So here p is 0. What does it mean? Therefore, two roots, alpha is equal to, even though we are getting one value only, we will say two values are there, but both the roots are equal in this case. So alpha will be, alpha is minus b plus under root 0 upon 2. In fact, it is 2a. And beta, another root is minus b minus under root 0 upon 2a. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus b upon 2a and beta is also minus b upon 2a. So we are having two roots. What is the meaning of this? In the equation only we have put this 0, so x is equal to this. Means you will say that only one value of root we are getting. But in fact, two roots are there, but both the roots are equal. Therefore, the conclusion we are drawing, the roots are real, and two cases we have seen. When the discriminant was greater than 0, the roots are real but unequal. Second case, when discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Third case, case 3, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, because three possible cases are there related to discriminant. So if it is less than 0, then you cannot get negative value. We will be getting in the sign of root, and value of which we cannot find. Just in the first case I had shown. Therefore, in this case, the roots will not be real. When there is roots are not real, so we will not talk about this, and we will talk about these two cases. So we will take a few examples in this. Now I will take up the questions of exercise 4.4. First question is, find the nature of roots of the following equations. If real roots exist, then find them. So, solution, fundamental procedure, that is discriminant. We will check what is discriminant. So, discriminant is the b square minus 4ac. This is called the discriminant. In which case, equation is ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. If the equation is this is called the discriminant. So you will find the value of discriminant. Conditions are known. If it is greater than 0, the real roots and these are unequal. If it is 0, the roots are equal, and if it is less than 0, real roots don't exist. So you will find the b square minus 4ac in first case, question number 1. So compare these two, right? So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 5. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 5. That is equal to 9 minus 40, that is minus 31 is less than 0. Since discriminant is negative, so therefore roots don't exist, right? Second we will take. Since it is negative, there is no question of finding the roots because real roots don't exist. Second case, 3x square, that is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4, that is equal to 0. Here again compare with this one. Therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and c is equal to 4. We will find b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a is 3 and c is 4. If you are squaring this minus square, it will become positive, because whether it is positive or negative, square will always be positive. So it will be 16 into 3, that is 48, minus, here it is 48 again, so this is equal to 0. Here discriminant is 0. What does it imply? We know if discriminant is 0, roots will be equal. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. So what are the equal roots? So x is equal to, that is equal roots are minus b upon 2a, that is minus b upon 2a, that is b is this minus 4 root 3 upon 2 into a is 3. So this is the equal roots, that is 4 root 3 by 6, 2 times 3 times, that is, again you can write, this can further be simplified, is 2 upon root 3, right? That is equal to 2 root 3, and this can be written as root 3 into root 3. This will go, that is, we will get 2 upon root 3. Equal roots are 2 upon root 3, right? So this is the second question. Third one we will take, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. So this is, should I give the homework? Anyway, I will solve this also. So 2x square minus 6x plus 3, that is equal to 0. This is 0 over here. Comparing, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 3. Again, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Right? So this is 36 minus, it is 24, 12. And this is greater than 0. Since it is positive, we will have two roots which are real and unequal. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. First condition. So you will find the roots. So one root is alpha is equal to how much? Minus b. So minus 6 plus minus under root 12 upon 2 into 2. It is 2a. A is 2. This will be this much. So 6 plus minus. Alpha we have taken, suppose I will write x over here, right? X is this. So that is 2 root 3 upon 4. So we can take 2 common from these 2, 3 plus minus under root 3 upon 4. 2 times it will go, that is 3 plus under root plus minus under root 3 by 2. So 2 roots are alpha, 1 root, that is 3 plus under root 3 by 2, and beta another root 3 minus under root 3 by 2. 2 roots will be these, right? So this is the solution of this equation, because what is required? If roots exist, then find the roots. So these are the roots. Okay. Now we will take up question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. These 2 equations are having equal roots. We have to find the value of k in both the questions. Solution. We know that roots will be equal only if discriminant is 0. So what is discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we will compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation. That is, standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. Compare this equation with this one. So here a is equal to 2. Coefficient of x square is 2. Here a is equal to 2. Similarly, coefficient of x is b. The b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. We will b square minus, we will put b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is k square minus 4a is 2, c is 3. That is equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 24, that is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is equal to 24. Therefore, k is equal to under root 24 plus minus. Right? So, under root 24 is equal to plus minus 2 under root 6. Therefore, k has got 2 values. One is plus, another is minus 2 under root 6. So, this is the solution for first part. We will go for the second part. That is kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the question. So first we will convert this in standard form. Then only comparison can be done and we can find the values of a, b and c. So we just multiply by kx. Therefore kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? So compare with this. So a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Right? Therefore b square minus 4ac, that is equal to, b square means minus 2k whole square minus 4a is k, right, and c is 6, that is equal to 0. Therefore 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Therefore we can take 4k common, right? 4k here, 4k here, so k will be left, k minus 6, that is equal to 0. So there are 3 factors, 4, k and this one. So 4 will not be 0, therefore k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Because 4 is not 0. Product of all the 3 is 0. So at least one has to be 0. So either this 0 or this 0. So k is equal to 0 is one answer. Another answer is k is equal to 6. See, k is equal to 0 is one answer. But when k is equal to 0, then this will not remain the quadratic equation. Value of k cannot be equal to 0. But if k is equal to 0, this quantity will go, then we will get 6 is equal to 0. Isn't it? So which is not possible. Therefore, not possible. This will not be the answer possible. I will repeat. Why k is equal to 0 is not possible. Because if you are putting k is equal to 0 over here, this whole quantity will go. What will we get? 6 is equal to 0. Means again 6 cannot be equal to 0. Means k should never be equal to 0. The answer is this only, and this is the answer. Here this is the answer. Two values. Right? I will take question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice the breadth? The area is 800 meters square. Find length and breadth. So we have to see whether it is possible or not. So what is given? The rectangular groove. The length is twice its breadth. Breadth, suppose A, B, C, D. It is rectangular groove. Width is AB, AB is x, and length is twice of x. Right? Therefore, area is equal to x into 2x, that is 2x square. And it is said that area is this much. Therefore, equation will form 2x square is equal to 800. Right? This can further be written as 2x square minus 800, that is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation, right? Because it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So here, can it be written in that form? Yes. So this can be written as 2x square plus 0 into x minus 800. This quantity is 0 because 0 into something. But I have written in the form, the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard form it is, right? So, comparing these two, a is equal to 2, b is 0 and c is equal to minus 800. So, whether this is possible or not, it will be possible, means value of x, whatever x is chosen. So, whether it is possible or not, it means we have to find discriminant. If discriminant is greater or equal to 0, then only this is possible, otherwise no. So discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Find the value of this. So b square minus 4ac is 0 minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 800. That is equal to minus and minus, it will be plus. It is 6400. Means this is greater than 0. Since it is greater than 0, it is possible. This quadratic equation itself is possible and value of x is possible. Right? Means roots will be real. And it will be unequal because it is not equal to 0. If it is 0, then roots will be equal. Otherwise, if it is greater than 0, roots will be real and unequal. So we will find the value of x. So x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b means it is negative, that is 0 only. 0 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac is 6400. So we'll write 6400 upon 2 into a is 2. This is equal to plus minus under root. This is 6400 means it is of 80 by 4, right? That is equal to plus minus 20. So value of x is equal to minus 20 and x is equal to plus 20. So this is not possible because length is never negative. Therefore, this is the answer. Answer is equal to 20 unit, that is meter. Is it clear? Negative value of x, plus minus 20. Negative value of x we cannot take because it is the length. So therefore answer will be 20 meter itself. Now the fourth question. Is the following situation possible? If so, then determine their present ages. The sum of ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So you let the age of one friend is equal to X years, and the age of the other friend is equal to Y years, right? Of course, these are present ages. These are the present ages, right? So, what is given? Sum of the ages up to is 20 years. Therefore, X plus Y is equal to 20 as per the condition. Now, 4 years ago, the age of first friend 4 years ago, that is equal to X minus 4 years, right? Therefore, the age of other friend 4 years ago, that will be Y minus 4 years. 4 years ago, his age is X minus 4, his is Y minus 4, and product is 48, it is given. Therefore, as per the condition, X minus 4 into Y minus 4 is equal to 48. So what I will do, from here I will find the value of Y and I will put over here, right? Equation number 2. So from these two equations I have to find the value of X and Y. So from 1, Y is equal to 20 minus X. Therefore, from 2, X minus 4 into Y minus this. In place of Y, we will write this. That is 20 minus X minus 4, that is equal to 48. Now we will simplify this and we will get quadratic in X. Therefore, this is X minus 4 and this is 20 minus X minus 4, that is 16 minus X, that is equal to 48. Now we will multiply the whole quantity by X. We can write X 16 minus X minus 4 16 minus X, that is equal to 48. Further multiplication, that is 16X minus X square minus 64 plus 4X, that is equal to 48. Therefore, that is 16X plus 4X, that is 20X minus X square minus 64 is equal to 48. Transfer the whole quantity on right hand side, then we will get, because the minus X square I want to make X square as positive, that is why it is to be transferred. So we can write this minus square will become X square, this 20X will become minus 20X plus 64 plus 48, that is equal to 0. Therefore, X square minus 20X plus, if you add this, we will get 112, that is equal to 0. From these two equations, we got one quadratic equation. So, whether the value of X is possible or not, to find that, discriminant of this must be greater or equal to 0. So, discriminant is for the values of X to be real, right? B square minus 4AC must be greater or equal to 0. So if we will find the value of B square minus 4AC in this case, here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20 and C is equal to 112. Therefore, B square minus 4AC is equal to, B square is minus 20 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 112. Here 20 square is 400 minus, if you multiply 4 by this, 112, then you will get 448. 448, that is equal to minus 48, this is less than 0. Since it is less than 0, this is not possible, right? So therefore the solution is not possible. So this is the answer of this. This condition, whatever is given, this will not be possible, because if these conditions are used, we are getting such a relation that a discriminant is less than 0, that is why we will not get solution of this quadratic equation. It means this is not possible. Last question, that is question number 5 is there. That problem I am giving you as a homework, and I hope you will be able to solve it. If not, then you write in the comment box of this video, then I will solve that problem also. So we'll meet next time. Till then, all the best. Be happy. Take care of you and study with concentration and with understanding. So all the best.